It's time for you to come from out of the kitchen. Okay? Get out of the kitchen and lead. There's power within you. You have a voice. You have a message. You have a platform. Speak. You have value to share in this world. You were created by God for times such as this. And it's time that you stand up and take your rightful place. Come on now. It is time for you to take your rightful place and lead. Stop being led by someone else that don't understand who you are. You have value. You have a message to share. You have lives to transform. It is time you take your rightful place. Come out of the fields, come out of the kitchen, and lead. It's already within you. It's already inside of you. Take your power back. Get clear on whom you're here to serve. Get clear on what it is that you are here to facilitate. What is that transformation that you're here to facilitate? What is it? Do you know? Do you have clarity? Some of you do, but what about the rest of you? Do you know? Do you now know how you're here to transform the world? Do you know what your purposeful body of work is? Because it's all inside of you. Get clear on that. And if you need help getting clear on that, reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's see how I can support you. It is time. It is time that we create our own platforms and we create and build the leadership that we are here to do. And that we are here, the legacy that we're here to leave behind. That we are here to change generations. Because the generational issues that we've seen over and over, it's only going to change if we take a stand. And we make a difference. And we change it. And we speak up.